Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you on how to link your Instagram account to your TikTok account. So the first thing that you just have to do is to open your Instagram application first, then click on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now click on the share profile, this one, okay, and then click on copy link. So now that the link has been copied, just have to close that and then open your TikTok application. Then click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Okay. And then click on edit profile. Okay, that's right. And then click on your bio. As you can see here in our bio, we have our YouTube link. So you have to delete that. Then paste your Instagram profile link. And then click on save after you paste your link. Now go back to your profile page and then refresh it. Now you can see your Instagram account link under your profile on TikTok. So that's it. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.